This 2019 Forest River Flagstaff Classic Superlite 831 BHWSS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 34 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 11, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, awning, smoke detector, Slideout, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, oven, air conditioning, TV, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Forest River Flagstaff Classic Superlite 831 BHWSS is 8,546 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.